What's up, wake up, welcome everyone. I am Melanie Williams, your favorite mompreneur and deal diva of the 21st century, coming to you from Boutique House Enterprises LLC with just 3 reasons why I believe that you should get your MyEcon membership. I'm writing it down, I'm going to read the notes. So, for the first reason, because the purchasing of a MyEcon membership automatically legally gives you, alright, you're welcome, a home-based business, okay? Number 2, as a home-based business, you are now entitled to thousands of tax write-offs, starting with a portion of your rent, your utilities, your cell phone, and the mileage that you drive in your car. Number 3, your membership includes investment education. Now you can get your money working for you, which is the ultimate goal. Those of you who have been following my YouTube channel, thank you. You know where I'm coming from when I tell you that financial education should be a staple in every home, but not every home has the financial education that we can use that is useful to us in not just our day-to-day today activities, but our future activities. So investing and investment education is a big thing, because you all know in order for us to be able to live our later life, we have to be taking care of our right now life, and at the same time preparing for our retirement years when we don't want to work, when we can't work, or when something comes up where we need to be with family. You know, maybe we have to take care of a loved one, and that takes us away from work. So you guys know that my company, we help people in understanding the rules of wealth and wealth education. So if any of you are interested in knowing how you can get your MyEcon membership, how you can legally now have a home-based business and take advantages of not only the tax write-offs, but the investment education, and just learning how to make financial education a staple in your home, you can text or call me right now at 219-302-3634. I do answer. It is not a recording. I do have voicemail though, so leave a message if you get the voicemail. My goal is to help many people, so if you don't get me right away, that's because I'm helping someone else. But I hope that's what's up, so you can wake up and get your wealth up. Until next time, catch you in the next video.